Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are very fine at your home. So here we are going to start with the unit test 2 video. First of all, the syllabus for the unit test 2, which will be held in the month of November. Here we'll have two chapters, chapter 3 subtraction and chapter 13 patterns. And in this chapter we'll cover only 13.1 to 13.4 exercises. Along with this, the tables from 2 to 8. Now we are going to start with chapter 3 subtraction. Here we will have practice question, just one digit numbers subtraction. So how will you do? Just see this. Okay children, here first part is 8 minus 4. See children, this number will be greater, okay, and the next number will be smaller always in the subtraction. Now 8 minus 4, how will you do? There are two methods. You can follow any method. Like here 8 is the greater number, so we'll count 8 on our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we have to subtract 4 from this, so we have to come backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers back we have to come, and then we have to count the rest of the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 will be the answer. Now the second method is, we can go from this number to the greater number. Okay, like here it is 4 given, so we can start with 5 and go till 8. So let us count on the finger starting with 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. So 4 will be the answer. In both the cases the answer is 4. You can choose any method. Okay. Now 9 minus 6 we have to do. So we have to go from 7 to 9. Okay, 6 will not count. We will start with 7 and count on our fingers. 7, 8, 9. So answer is 3. Rest of these questions you have to do yourself. Now here we will do some of the terms related to subtraction. Children, in your syllabus we have only subtraction of 2-digit numbers, but we will do with 3-digit numbers also. Okay. Now here we have first example, 73 minus 21. See children, how we'll arrange this first. First of all, it is a 2-digit number, so we'll write ones and tens only. Then we have to arrange them. Like first number is 73, which is the greater number. We'll write it at the top. 7 is on tens place and 3 is on ones place. Then next number is 21, which we'll write down. 2 at tens place and 1 at ones place. Now we are going to subtract this. So how will you subtract? The method is, first you will subtract the ones column and then you will subtract tens column. Now 3 minus 1. See children, it is very simple. You can do it orally also. 3 minus 1 is 2 and 7 minus 2 is 5. How? You have to go from 3 to 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. So answer is 52. Now what all are the terms related to this? The bigger number from which a smaller number is subtracted is called minuend, and the number which is subtracted is called the subtrahend, and the answer which we get is called the difference. So these things we have written over here. The bigger number or greater number from which smaller or lesser number is subtracted is called the minuend. The second one is the subtrahend. The smaller number which is subtracted is called subtrahend. Then we have difference. The answer after subtraction is called difference. These things can come in the fill up also children. Now here we have one more thing, that the order of the numbers do not change. We cannot change the order of the numbers in subtraction as we were doing in addition. Like suppose we are having 4 plus 2. The answer is 6. But when I write 2 first and 4 later, then also the answer will be 6. But it is not the case with the subtraction. Okay, suppose we have an example like 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. But we cannot subtract 2 and 7. Means 7 we cannot subtract from 2. So it is not possible right now for you. Okay. Now in subtraction we cannot change the order or numbers. The bigger number is always written first. Properties of subtraction. First one is subtraction of 0. See children, when we subtract 0 from a number, we get the same number. Okay. When 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference or means answer is always the number itself. It can come in the fill up children, you have to learn. Subtraction of 1. when we subtract 1 from a number, the difference is the predecessor of the given number. I hope you know the predecessor. Like 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, which comes before. Predecessor means which comes before. Again 42 minus 1, which is the predecessor of 42, which is 41. So answer will be 41. Now third one is subtraction of the same numbers. See children, when we subtract same numbers, we always get 0. You can see the examples also here. Now the fourth property is order of numbers. We cannot change the order, as I explained earlier also. The order of numbers means the greater number will always be written first. Here I have written the same example, 7 minus 2 is equal to 5, but 2 minus 7 we cannot do it. Okay. Now here are some practice questions based on the properties. So here we have fill in the blanks. A part, 47 minus 1 means when we subtract 1 from 47, here we need not to subtract, simply by using the property we can do. See children, when we subtract 1 from a number, we get the predecessor. So what is the predecessor of 47? 46. So 46 is the answer. Now 35 minus what? The answer is same. Means what we can subtract from this number to get the same number, which is 0. Now 3 minus what to get the predecessor? 1, like first property. Okay. Now rest of the questions do it yourself, and one F, G and H part also are there. 86 minus 86, 92 minus 1, then dash minus 1, 86. Okay. Okay children, practice these questions and write all these things in your notebook. Bye bye.